First one, okay, represent this data with a histogram, name the mole class in which, so I can name the mole class right away. It's 20 to 40, oh sorry, it's 80 to 100, excuse me, because 80 to 100 has the most people in it. So this is the following frequency distribution gives the number of marks obtained by students in their examination. Now what you're going to notice is that the gap is always the same. 0 to 20 has a gap of 20, 20 to 40, gap of 20, 80 to 100, gap of 20. Now what we need to do is we need to draw a histogram. Okay, so what we're going to do is just go and draw an x and y axis. Now what always happens is the interval always goes on the bottom. Okay, so the interval always goes on the bottom. It's going up in 20s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with 0, and you can choose whatever gap you want. I'm going to use a gap of 4 blocks. Okay, so 0 to 20, then the next gap is up to 40. The next gap up there is up to 60, a gap of 4 again to 80, and a gap of 4 to 100. Okay? The next thing I have to do after that is the y-axis, which is the number of people. The maximum number of people is 24. All of them are even numbers, so I'm just going to go up in 2s. Okay? It's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, and 24 is going up there now. I didn't actually make this quite large enough, okay? So what I should have done, and I can just do this now maybe. No, okay, I can't. So unless, there we go. Okay, so I fixed it there, but you haven't got that luxury of doing that, so, right. Next thing you gotta do is you gotta draw your histogram, okay? So if you can just, the first one is going up to 8. So you're just going to draw a bunch of rectangles, so that's a circle. So we're going to draw a rectangle, okay? So that's going to go to 8. The first one's going up to 8. The next one's going up to 21. Now, as you can see, just made it quick. I didn't get that one bang on the line. You need to get bang on the line to make sure that it works, okay? So that's 8. Next one goes up to 21. That's 20, 21. It's just going to be midway there. That's 21. Okay, then one after that is going to be going up to 8. So it's going to be here. The one after that is 10. So it goes up to here. And finally the one after that goes all the way up to 24. Okay, this is your histogram. Histograms basically have no gaps in between them. There is no gaps between each bar. And each bar has to be the same width, a width of 4 blocks in my case. Okay, now what it wants me to do is it wants me to find out where does the median lie. So I had to find out how many students there is in total. So when I add all these together, how many students is there in total? Can somebody tell me please? So that's going to be 37 plus 34, 71. Okay. Okay. So after this one's done, what's going to happen is the 71 people. How do I get the median? Divided by 2. And what do we get? 35.5. You round it up and it's going to be the 36th person, okay? Now the 36th person. Where is the 36th person? Let's find out. The 36th person is, they're not going to be in the first, that's the first 29, isn't it? Because 8 plus 21 is 29. It's going to be from 29 to 37 is where they're located. They're located in the 40 to 60 region. So it's going to be 40 to 60. On your histogram, indicate clearly where the median lies. Now the median lies is basically in between 40 to 60. Okay? But it is the 36th person. So it's going to be at the very end of there. So it's going to be in here. It's going to be in this region here. Is where the 36th person is. But the 36th person is going to be towards the end of that. More likely. Okay? So there's your median. Alright guys.